Welcome back to our 5th standard science online class, my dear students. In the previous class, we completed lesson 12, light and shadow. Today, in this session, we are going to learn about book exercise in lesson 12. Dear students, take your science book, take page number 155 and take your pencil, write down the answer very neatly. Let's start. First, objective type questions. First Roman, fill in the blanks with the correct words. First one, we dash see objects in the absence of light. Bracket, can or cannot. Answer is cannot. We cannot see objects in the absence of light. Second one, dash objects from shadows. Bracket, transparent or opaque. The answer is opaque. Opaque objects form shadows. Third one, the color of the shadow of an object is dash. Bracket, same as the color of the object or black. The answer is black. The color of the shadow of an object is black. Fourth one, a shadow is formed on the dash side of the source of light. Bracket, opposite or same. The answer is opposite. A shadow is formed on the opposite side of the source of light. Fifth one, the length of the shadow dash during the day. Bracket, changes or does not change. The answer is changes. The length of the shadow changes during the day. Second Roman, write T for the true and F for the false statement. First one, moon is an example of a luminous object. The answer is false. Second one, all objects are transparent in nature. The answer is false. Third one, we cannot see through a translucent object. The answer is false. Fourth one, a shadow is formed when an object blocks the path of the light. The answer is true. Fifth one, all objects cast shadow on the ground. The answer is false. Third Roman, choose the correct option. First one, which of these will help you see things? The options are A, tube light, B, candlelight, C, sunlight, D, all of these. The answer is D, all of these. Second one, which of these is transparent? The options are A, wooden door, B, glass window, C, brick wall, D, cemented roof. The answer is B, glass window. Third one, which of these is translucent? The options are A, clear plastic, B, clear glass bottle, C, frosted glass, D, air. The answer is C, frosted glass. Fourth one, which of these is not opaque? The options are A, metal box, B, blackboard, C, notebook, D. None of this. The answer is D. None of these. Fifth one, which of these will not form a shadow? The options are A. Transparent object, B. Translucent object, C. Opaque object, D. Both A and B. The answer is D. Both A and B. Sixth one, which of these will allow you to see objects partially through them? The options are A. An electric pole, B. A clear glass door, C. A wooden door, D. A colored glass door. The answer is D. A colored glass door. Dear students, take page number 156. Seventh one, when will the shadow be the shortest? The options are A. Morning, B. Noon, C. Evening, D. Night. The answer is B. Noon. Eighth one, when will the shadow be the longest? The options are A. Morning, B. Noon, C. Evening, D. Both A and C. The answer is D. Both A and C. Dear students, today in this session we completed Phillips, true or false, and choose. Write down the homework. Study Phillips, true or false, and choose. Thank you, dears.